Hi sweets, how y'all babies doing today? So Sunday is Mother's Day and I had this brilliant idea of having a nice little at-home Mother's Day brunch for my family. So my mother, obviously, my sister and my grandma, I am treating them to a nice Mother's Day brunch courtesy of Chef ChantayLainey. And of course I say chef because y'all, if you follow me on IG, you know I can't bake. But let's get in, anyways, let's not talk about negative things. So in this video, basically, I'm gonna walk you through how I prep and prepare for Mother's Day brunch. So before we get into it, and I am flustered and I don't remember, happy Mother's Day! If you are a mother and watching this, big up yourself, you give life, you know, big up you, like you are doing great, sweetie. Okay, even if you think you're not, you're doing great, sweetie. As long as you're trying your best, big up in yourself, you know. I have no idea who I'd be without my mother, so obviously I'm like Moody for born and them thing there. What am I saying? But anyways, I just want to say, if you're a mother, big up yourself, continue doing the great work that you're doing. Your kids appreciate it. They may not know, you know, because when I did younger, I never did understand. But you see, when them have a little sense, them go, true, you know, a true mother, that's all. I'm hot as hell. I'm in the kitchen. I'm in the kitchen. I'm hot as hell. I'm in the kitchen. I'm hot as hell. Alright, sorry. I'm working on seasoning the fish for the escovitch fish that I'm making. So my family is very simple. They like basic things. They don't like fanciful things. They don't be liking those things. So I'm making escovitch fish, which is like a staple for my family. Like we have it every Christmas. If there's something happening, if we're having an event, we make escovitch fish. Like it's just sort of thing. So I'm making it today. So anyways, I'm gonna prepare the fish now. I'm just gonna season it, and then tomorrow, Saturday, I fry it off, make the escovitch, and then just leave it to marinate. So it is Saturday and I am on the road buying some last minute things. I hate going on the road, but I need the things. So I just left Azan and I bought some placemats, something for the centerpiece, and just some little cute plates so that I can plate the food and make it look fancy. And by fancy I mean it not go very fancy because I may go plate it, but yeah. So I've been on the hunt for fresh strawberries, so for my mimosa bar. There was a tray full of strawberries here this morning when my friend came. No, there is nothing. I'm so annoyed. Ooh. Wow, I thought these raspberries were 120. I'm like, yo, what's happening? But they're 1200, so I'm not buying them either.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
If you guys can hear me, but the Lord says, ask and you shall receive, or ask and it shall be given unto you, or something like that. Anyways, I asked a nice lady that was packing out the shelves if she have any more strawberries in the back, and she says there's none on the shelf, and I go, no, they're done. And you know what she came back with? Boom. Feel good, feeling good. So I came back from the supermarket and I came and took a nap because your girl was exhausted. So right now I am going to season some more of the meats for tomorrow, bake the dessert. Yay. And fry up the escovitch fish that you guys saw me season. Yeah. So we have our assembly line ready for the shrimp. So we have the shrimp that I seasoned because we just feel like everything must season. We have some flour that we're gonna dip it in. We have this batter that I seasoned as well. And then of course we have the coconut batter. I put some panko in there so it can be extra crispy and nice. Let's assemble. Avengers, assemble. Hold it. Bam. Cold the shrimps. Cold the shrimps. So this is the shrimp breaded. So I'm just gonna cover this, put it in the fridge overnight, and then tomorrow just pop them in the oil. And I'm about to season the chicken now for the sticky pineapple chicken. I think it's official that I've bitten off more than I can chew, because it is already nighttime and I am exhausted. I still don't make the desserts yet, and I'm making 2 desserts tonight. The only good thing is that one of them should be super easy, but the other one should take a little time. I never remember some of those fried fish. I'm so much sweat, the time hot. Alright. So this is the shrimp, the fish that we seasoned yesterday. So now we're frying it off because obviously you're right. We have all the fish fried. Here's the escovitch, which is basically just pickled onions, carrots, and chocho, and some scotch bonnet pepper. That's that vinaigrette here. And most people just put this down to pickle, but at my house we cook it up in a pot and put it over the fish. So I'm gonna put this in the pot now and then pour it all over the fish and then cover it down, seal it in so that the fish can soak up all of that juice and all of those nice things.
Oh yeah, so let's get tight enough. So. Well, I juice come out already.
Good morning. It is finally Mother's Day. Did I mention I was tired? Because our girl is tired, okay? But the show must go on. We've made a commitment and we've already put in so much work. So, and I'm wearing the same shirt. Yeah, I'm not beard yet. I'm not change my shirt for me gonna take my beard because I don't beard yet. I'm gonna do some more work and then I'm gonna beard. But we're strapped for time at right now. It's some time. So I'm gonna make a cream cheese dip right now, a salmon cream cheese dip right now. You want to say hi, love?
Hi. I wanted to help. I want to help her.
You help. Remember I told you how you helping already?
Oh yeah, you said I would help yesterday.
So I just made this sign for my mimosa bar, and I did not put a lot of effort into it, as you can see. That isn't great, but I think it looks okay. It looks better in real life than it does on camera. So I'm telling you guys that I wanted to do table setting, so I printed out some menus.
Happy Mother's Day!
Thank you! I printed out some menus for the table placements. I'm just gonna cut them now so that I can be ready when it's time to finish up the setting. You like my mimosa bar? Sign?
Yeah.
You like it? It don't look bad?
It goes on theme.
Right? She gets it. Mimosa. See, I have the vines from the...
I got it.
Oh my goodness. Tell him again.
Happy Mother's Day.
So this is the base for my saltfish fritters. It is saltfish that has been soaking overnight, peppers, scotch bonnet peppers, scallion, onion, and some all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, all of that. Now I'm just gonna add some flour to it and water and then make the batter. And this is the saltfish fritter batter, and we're just gonna let it stay for a little while so all the flavors can soak in and marinate. That's not necessary, but I have some other things to do, so I'm just gonna let that go and then come back and fry it up.
So now we're just gonna set up the table, and then we're gonna set up the table and set up all these things.
Yes, so what he said, I'm gonna do the table settings now. Hopefully it looks nice. Put our ramen in the middle. These for the the center of the table. They look kind of Christmassy, but they were the only things I could find that were the right color. So I'm just gonna add them as well to the vase. And I have these marbles that I've had for a while. I'm gonna put them in the bottom of the vase and add water, and that's the centerpiece. So let's see what it looks like.
She says, when she says vase, when she says vase, she meant vase. That's what she meant.
Kids these days. Now we're about to start the Mother's Day brunch, and for starters we have codfish fritters, aka salt fish fritters, and a cheese board. So let me show you guys. Alright guys, we are at the main course. I'm gonna join the family now and eat with them because I've just been serving, because I've been plating off the food. So the dinner is all here and we're gonna eat now. You guys been enjoying the food so far?
Yeah, delicious.
Yeah, it's tasting delicious.
Look on the mother them, nice clean mother them. So I finished making dessert and plated it and shared, and totally forgot to show you guys, but I'll insert a half dead photo here. You want to come in the photo? Oh my god, come. So that is the end of 2020's Mother's Day brunch. You know, we were quarantined, but we made the most of it still. I think it turned out great. Everybody enjoyed the food. Oh my god. Can I finish? Can I finish, mama? Oh my god, wait. Okay. Everybody enjoyed the food. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Again, if you are a Mother, if you are a mother, I hope you enjoyed your day. Big up yourself. You're doing great, sweetie. Be careful. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. My feet hurt so bad. I just hope you enjoy.
we had so we wish you were with us.
What okay? So bye guys.